Let's go.
Number 6.
When you finish the blessings,
Pag natapos-
tomorrow you are looking at you are staring at nothing.
Pag natanggap mo ang kapalaran,
No, when the blessings are pwede mag-pass.
Pass.
Kaya ko na nalaman yun Pass tayo doon.
sige pare.
Ang mga Gen Z talaga hirap sa...
yan.
Let's
Okay.
pass to that question indeed.
Pare.
Number 5. Number 5.
Seconds on the
Number
clock.
5. There's no hard bread with hot coffee.
Walang matigas na tinapay sa mainit na kape.
1 point. 1 point.
Point.
Grabe pare, you're so good.
Thank you, pare.
Time to, ha?
Here. Oh my gosh, there's time.
30 seconds.
Number 8.
Vegetables elongate your life.
Kumain ng gulay, pampaba ng buhay.
Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba yun?
Kaya,
Pwede.
Pwede.
2 points. 2 points.
2 points.
Even
14.
though you're last and you're good,
10.
9,
you're able to catch up.
7, kahit huli ka,
Three.
Kahit huli man daw at magaling, may hahabol din.
Ay, yung pala yun.
Pero magaling, ha?
Yun pala yun.
Okay,
Good job.